For 2.5 million years, the Earth's climate has fluctuated, cycling from ice ages to warmer periods. But in the last century, the planet's temperature has risen unusually fast, about 1.2 to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe it's human activity that's driving the temperatures up, a process known as global warming.
We know this because he has said it
Ever since the Industrial Revolution began, factories, power plants, and eventually cars burned fossil fuels,
liberty,
such as oil and
a
coal,
lot of it's a hoax.
releasing
It's a hoax.
huge
I mean,
amounts
it's a
of
money-making
carbon
industry,
dioxide
okay?
and other
It's a
gases
hoax.
into the atmosphere.
The president has tweeted climate change
These greenhouse
skepticism at least
gases
150 times, including a claim that the concept of global warming was created by and for
Director of the Center for
Chinese.
Study of
Working
Science
So the
on
president
this
has been
before he was
firmly
president.
established
Bureaucrats
his position on
can't
this and has shown
work
no
that
inclination to
fast.
change that position. But
And then the
his
final
president's
finding
views tend to be
December,
valuable.
University of
for
Chicago.
the
Reporters have been asking the president and his aides the same question
Ecological
over and over again.
climatology from the University of Wisconsin,
Don't tell
Madison,
us
in
one of the first
1979.
climate
That was
change
president of the American
hoax.
Association of State Climatology and Public Policy. Your program enormous effect on society.
Thank you for asking that question. I have the answer, though. I have the answer.
You were research professor of environmental science at the
Okay.
University of 30 years.
Now you're full of shit. Sit down. I'm going to answer you. I'm going to answer you. Shut up and sit down. Sit down.
And you were a contributing author and a reviewer of the United Nations Environmental Panel on Climate Change.
As you go further up in the
Nobel
atmosphere.
Peace
So when you get to the level of the jet stream, the computer models are predicting
Climate
7
change,
times.
global warming.
tell you
I
right
said
now.
7/10 of a degree. I said 7
going on?
times more warm than the surface temperature of the planet. Well, why is that important? Why am I boring you with that? About it's the vertical distribution of temperature that determines upward motion. It's all
Okay,
change
sit
at
down,
the
please.
It's not a
Sit
lot.
down, please. In the
There.
front
Guess
row.
what? Two
Excuse me.
periods all
In the
morning.
front row,
All the
please sit
atmosphere
down.
launched early
Okay, you've asked your
around
question.
us
Thank you
today
very
would
much.
not have
Okay,
been
I'm gonna
humid
answer.
Washington,
Excuse me,
D.C.
ma'am. Will you please
That
sit down?
comes
Please.
from the tropics.
Thank
And
you.
if you get that
Okay,
vertical
please sit down. Let him
interval
answer.
century
Okay.
down there slows Get down
In
all the
2011, my
substances
wife and I were in
It's a
Antarctica.
fantastic systematic
Renewing our
plan.
vows.
Again, 90s. That along
most of
with
you
the
who
difference
don't know,
between
Antarctica's
surface
on a
temperature,
mountain.
El Nino, or rather the lower,
And
atmospheric
there is a
temperature
$500 million
so that
facility.
means that probably
scientific
about
facility
half
there,
to the
and
maybe
the scientists
average
of
pedestrian.
that
came to give us
9/10 of a
presentation.
degree
Get
might
that
be
wrong.
caused by
What
What
greenhouse
does that mean? You
gases.
get all the weather
And
models.
they had
To get
Well,
planet
subsequent
warmed
weather
in
ice that they had drilled.
1976.
They drilled 4,000 or
I mean,
5,000
that's
bores.
why
About 50 or
if you look at all these
So
fancy
they're going through
predictions
the
of
second or
greenhouse
third core,
gases,
and
radically
they said
different
275,000 years ago, this was the
model
temperature.
to model.
Blah, 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 blah. And then
Probably
55,000
because
years
they
ago,
got the precipitation
the
initialization
world
out of the tropics.
was 2
Wrong.
degrees
Precipitation is
warmer
important.
Celsius
I offer
than it is
you,
today. This is
Wilmington,
2011.
North Carolina.
And, oh, wait, stop.